Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to find next blank row in Excel using VBA. This video is very important because if you are working with Excel data, then finding last used row, column or cell through VBA is a common task. We will discuss three different scenarios to understand the different ways to get the last used row. So watch the video till end. Don't forget to share your feedback, suggestion and query in comment section. And if you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. We have created a small form in Excel and the data is saved in three different sheets: data 1, data 2 and data 3 using buttons add 1, add 2 and add 3 respectively. So first go to VBA editor using Alt F11 key and click on insert and select module. Now in the module declare a module level variable dim last row as integer. Now this variable will store the last filled row in the sheet. Now in first case where in the sheet data 1 the column A does not contain any blank cell. In this case we can use count A method to get the last filled row. Declare a sub procedure sub add data and in the subroutine type last row equals to worksheet function dot count A worksheets. The sheet name is data 1 dot range A colon A. The count A function will return the total number of cells having data, or we can say row number of last non-blank cell in column A. Now to add data in the next blank row, type worksheets data 1 dot range A ampersand last row plus 1, which will indicate the next blank row, is equal to worksheets user details dot range C2. Similarly for next column, change the column A to B and range from C2 to C3. Now go to Excel sheet and attach the button add 1 to created macro. So click on assign macro, select add data, click OK. Now the data is already filled. Click on add 1 button and the data will be added into the next blank row. Now we can add a message box to give information to user that data added successfully. In scenario 2, if the data in the sheet is not in the continuity, then we can use AND method of cells or range object. Go to VBA editor and create another sub procedure sub add data to. Now to identify the last row, worksheets data 2 dot cells rows dot count comma 1 dot end excel up dot row. Now here rows dot count statement returns the count of total rows in the worksheet. Here we are specifying the last cell in the column A, means A104856. So and Excel up will return the first cell having data when going in upward direction from the last cell in the column A. Now to add data in the next blank row, we will use the same line of code. So I'm copying the same lines from previous sub procedure. Now paste the lines. Now change the sheet name from data 1 to data 2. Add the message box. Data added successfully in data 2 sheet. Now go to Excel sheet. Attach the button add to newly created macro. Click on assign macro, select add data to, click OK. Now the data is already filled. Click add to button. Get the message data added successfully in data 2 sheet. Click OK. Go to data 2 and the data is added in the next available blank row. So if the data is not in continuity, you can use AND method to add the data. Now in scenario 3, we have sheet data 3 where A3 cell is blank, and if we use the previous two methods, the last data will be overwritten. Hence, in this scenario, we can use special cells method of cells or range object. So go to VBA editor using Alt F11 and we'll create a new sub procedure, sub add data 3. Now type last row is equal to worksheets data 3 dot cells dot spatial cells Excel cell type last cell dot row. Now the spatial cells method returns a new range that represents all the cells that we have specified. Here we used Excel cell type last cell, which specify the last cell in the used range. Now to add data in the next blank row, we will use the same line of code. So I'm copying the same lines from previous procedure to this one. Change the sheet name from data 2 to data 3 and add a message box. Just changing the sheet name. Now go to the Excel sheet. In the user details, attach the button add 3 to created macro. So right click, select assign macro, add data 3, OK. Now data is already available. So click on add 3 button and the data added successfully in data 3 sheet. The data will be added in the next blank row. Now you can use any one of the above methods to get the next blank row according to the scenarios. If you are still watching and got the new information, please press thumbs up and share this video with your friends and colleagues. If the channel is still showing subscribe button, then press it and also press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.